Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Allan Santos, top 5 in the March 2012 Criminology's licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Alan.
Guys, good morning. I hope that you are safe and okay. And we're looking for another informative and a very fruitful day. So, for today's subject, good morning, Raven, Teddy, and Mark. We're going to tackle the special crime investigation. So, first of all, guys, now, when you say about special crime, it revolves about special investigative techniques, like, for example, the examination of evidence. And it also involves forensic pathology or the study of the cause of death. So, kaya ang special crime, guys, no, yun, our new curriculum, tanggal na yung subject na legal medicine at incorporate na sa special crime. Because ang special crime kasi, involved kasama niya ang legal med and other forensic other topics sa forensic chemistry. So going to continue na, guys. I hope that okay, you will take note, you will grab your pen and paper, and let us make this a productive day. So first of all, guys, I would like to say to you, the forensic pathology is the study of the cause of death. So, yan, nagkakamali na naman ako sa chat. Puro. Okay, guys, no? Let us answer the examination. So let us start with the word forensic. Forensic comes from a Latin word, forensis. Okay. Forum or means what? What is your answer, guys? Okay. So, okay, many of you. So the answer for this one, guys, is public discussion. Okay, so letter A. So it's like a public debate or public argument. Also meaning of forum. Okay, when I say forum, it means public discussion. Okay. So I want you to remember, no? The question is about from a Latin word forensis and forum. Forum or means, the answer is public discussion. So for number one, the answer is public discussion. Okay, let us now proceed to this one. This book was made during the 12th century, during the 12th AD. So what is this book? Book for the first written account using the medicine to solve criminal case. What is the answer, guys? What is the answer for this for number two? So it's not, guys, no? Hindi ito Imhotep book. Okay? It's not legal medicine, legal medicinal. Okay? So the answer, this is a Chinese book. Authored by, I want you to remember, no? It is authored by Sung Chi. Okay? The correct answer for this, no, is C1 Lu. Okay? C1 Lu. The ways of wrong. Okay, so I want you to remember that the answer for number 2 is letter A. So number 3, I know that I already tackled this yesterday during our fundamentals, okay, investigation. What is the answer, guys? If you recall, what is the answer for number 3? Trace evidence are created upon, okay, so the answer for this one, associative evidence, guys, no? Uh, link the suspect to the crime scene. So it means that ito ay nagko-connect sa isang tao, no, to determine para makita ang kanyang presence sa crime scene. Wherein when you say about corroborative evidence, it is evidence of different character but has the same value. Okay, so the answer for this one is trace evidence. Okay, guys, Charlie. Let us now proceed to this. No? The smallest unit of textile material which has 10 times greater than its diameter. What is the answer in this one? Okay. So what is the answer for this one, guys? So I want you to underline smallest unit of textile material. Has uh, has a length many times greater than its diameter. So yung length niya mas hamak na mas malaki kaysa kanyang diameter. Okay, so the answer for this is fiber. Okay, fiber is the answer, guys. Letter A. I want you to remember that there are two kinds of natural fiber. Two kinds of natural fiber. Two kinds of fiber, the natural fiber and the manufactured fiber. While here, it is the it is no, came from the it is an appendage that grows out sa tinatawag nating hair follicle, that is hair. So manufactured, I want you to remember, guys, no, manufactured fiber, okay, is also called synthetic fiber. Okay, so I want you to remember synthetic fiber. But guys, no, almost 8 billion fibers, tons of fibers, has been produced by sa buong mundo. So it is very, habang tumatagal, lalong hirap ng pahirap. Especially kapag if you're going to individualize fiber that you will get the crime scene. Kasi nga dumadami ang reference mo dahil 8 billions ng tons of fiber ang napoproduce sa buong mundo every year. So yung investigative value nito mas bumababa. Okay? Every year mas bumababa siya. Because mas marami kang reference o pagko-compare mo because 8 billion tons of fiber na po-produce. Nevertheless, it is also a part of evidence in investigation kasi nga, sinusunod natin dito yung mga lahat ng bagay na makukuha natin, no? Di ba, tinuro ko sa inyo kahapon si Edmund Locard. I want you to remember, Edmund Locard is considered as the Sherlock Holmes of France. No? So, every criminal leaves a trace. So, lahat ng makukuha natin, fiber, hair, and other pieces of evidence ay turing natin na may value to identify the criminal. So, I want you to remember the answer is alpha. Okay. The following are used as methods in fiber collecting. Except, ang sagot dito guys, so, ginagamit itong methods na to sa pag-collect ng fiber. Isa lang ang hindi. Tweezer, tape, vacuum, or acrylate. Okay, can you please answer? Okay, sagot ni John and Eric. Okay. So, guys, no? The correct answer in this one, yung pag sinabi mong tweezer, ito yung gumagamit ka ng tsane, okay, to get the fiber. This one, no? So, hindi yan ang sagot. Pag sinabi mong tape, yan, gumagamit ka ng tape, no? Either scotch tape or masking tape para ma-recover mo ang fiber. So, kung nakita mo may fiber, okay, i-apply mo lang yung tape, then i-remove mo yung tape, nakadikit na doon yung fiber dahil sa adhesive. Vacuum is gumamit ka ng vacuum. Like for example, yung vacuum cleaner natin, ginagamit natin sa mga sasakyan. Okay? So, method, the answer here is acrylate. So, yung acrylate, ginagamit yan sa pag-recover ng fingerprint. Okay, so please remember that. Okay, the answer for this one is acrylate. So, the methods of fiber collecting can be tweezer, tape, or vacuum.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!